The memory is inside the
Did
frame.
you just click record?
Yeah, so
Okay.
record. I'm trying to remember the other one that I had in my head. So I already make all these beats at work that you be hearing. These don't be just beats I'm just creating out the air.
Right.
Is that beautiful?
That sounds good.
I'll let FL Studio kind of, let me see how bad we made this one. Some of them I gotta fix them, y'all, so. And I gotta get warmed up and I'll be like perfectly perfect with this, with my timing, so it comes as I warm up. So you're gonna see sometimes I just be able to do this perfectly. You're like, damn, you hit it right on time. But that was most of it though. So just freestyle the piano, put it in the next channel rack, freestyle the piano to make it sound more realistic. The last one I know I be just straight instrumental. Some of them I just come in here and do this perfect. You know me, you know how I do it someday. Let's see what, and I go off of what sounds better, y'all. That might sound better. Beautiful. You know what I'm saying? I like it. And I like open something else. Open something else. Put some more sauce in there. Get that bounce.
Real big.
Right there. See how I'm finding it by ear, y'all? This is, can't nobody say that my music not coming from my heart. You know?
No.
I like that one. Let me see. Hold on. So I'm like, what is they? I don't know why people be saying it, but I know the first ones I ain't like. side snare in my head all day. Hold on. See, I haven't tried to use it in the last 3 beats. It's bringing it together though. It's making it sound more industry. You know what I'm saying?
Word.
It's making it sound like some radio
Oh,
shit.
this sounds nuts.
See, at first it sounded kind of rookie a little bit, but when you put something, the uniqueness.
This sounds beautiful.
That's your own time. I'm taking too long. I'm in a weird spot. FL Studio actually tell me where. Let me see. They tell me where to put it. I'm off right there. It's hard. I ain't gonna
As
lie.
fuck.
I'll put these on the channel. I just name them as fast as I can. I got the beat in my head, so I want to get back to it. I'm gonna make it knock a little more. Put the soft flicker on this one. Make it sound a little bigger for me. And then it's time to put some effects in here, probably. It's hard. Oh. I even like that. Yeah. I'ma get racks, I'ma chase some. In the hood, tryna wake and bake something. And you know I'm tryna smoke something. Need something weird. Not that weird. Perfect. So I'm gonna do something weird to it, make it a little more unique. Some basic plug-ins. I like that. You know everything all uneven, but once we get this mark going, it's over. Do-do-do-do. Oh, look at that.
Hey.
Gotta make the 808. crazy now.
Yeah.
It go crazy now. If
That
it
shit
caught it,
hard.
did it catch it?
Woof.
Ooh, let's see. Ooh, it looked like it caught most of it. Okay. That mug hard. Alright, we gonna put this in key real quick. So it can sound better. We in D5. So I'm gonna go to D5 with everything. That mug hard. Hey, I'ma chase rags, get money first. Ooh, she like the slurp, ooh, she like the slurp. I'm finna go buy a cotton a new shirt. I was on the block just slanging work. You a jerk, you a jerk. Could pop the herb, pop the herb. I done lost my key that quick. Oh yeah, I was in the correct key. That gotta listen to the program. Get into the ranks and I told him get it with the program. What's the man? I'ma mix it up with some fucking baking soda, man. I need to work now. It hurt now. Feel me? Saying, get that ear, y'all. It's practicing your ear. Feel me? Make that hi-hat pattern unique. I'm gonna make the bass unique or even more unique. Hard. Alright, now that I found my key, I'm gonna start slapping everything into key. Now I can go off of my hi-hats right there, so it make it all easy. Now I can go faster. See that it's highlighted in D5, so I know I'm in the correct key. So I know, so when people are like, you're not in the right key, I'm like, the program is telling me I'm in the correct key, so that's a lie. Know you in the correct key. That's the program telling you. So. And then follow the key with each instrument. This all the basics. This is the basics of making the beat. You gotta know all this. This is a whole process. And I'm only quick at it because I done did it a million times. Ooh, you hear that? Your beat's gonna sound 1,000,000 times better. You hear that motherfucker in key now? I gotta put the drums in key. See, they hitting in key. You can hear it. If they hitting at a high note on point like that with the beat still, they gonna hear that. They gonna hit better. Now the drums in key. So the beat should sound better. Alright. Then remember all this. It sound better now. Hitting way better. Alright, and then I'm gonna bust all this down and send this to the program. Damn, we just kinda loud a little bit. But y'all, I'm gonna leave this one out for now. We're gonna go with this one for now. I'm gonna split it. Boop. Alright, and then control. I'll just copy and paste it a million times. See the wristwatch, you feel me? I let the wrist work. Feel me?